Oh my god, Cage is still. He's still down. He's trying. Both these men are trying their best. Oh my god. What's Cage thinking here? Oh, world's strongest slam of his own right there. Oh my god, with the stomp. Oh my god. He just laid right on the doctor. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. That nipped the side of his head right there. Oh my god. Oh, now he's got that box. What's he thinking here? Not good things. Not good things. Oh. Throwing that chair with it. Oh, that's a unique setup, if I say so myself. Oh, what's he? What the hell's he even thinking? Well, that's what he was thinking. Oh my god. Hudgens is down. Cage can go for the escape right now. Oh, and he comes out of nowhere with another cannonball. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is a crazy match going on right here. Oh. Oh my god, right off his kneecap. Cage is clearly in control right now. Hudgens just needs to get right back into it. Ross, he's in major danger of losing his title. Oh, what's he doing? Oh my god, he caught him. Hudgens caught him. I don't know what he was trying to do, but Hudgens caught him and put him right up into the bump up power bomb. Cage is down, and it's back to anyone's game right now. Oh my god. This is brutal. This is very, very brutal. Oh. Kevin? Facing the wrong way for a second there. Oh! Woo chop. And they begin. The woo chops begin. Oh, what's he doing? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Hudgens is down. The beautifully executed move by Cage. Oh my god. Oh. Not the pan. Cage is back into control. Oh my god. What's he? He's borrowing a belt. Oh. Oh! Motherfucker! Oh my god. Oh my god. With that belt. Oh my god, you could hear that all the way in fucking Michigan, for crying out loud. Oh my god. What's he doing here? What's Cage thinking? Oh, no way. Is he? Oh, with the elbow drop onto the ladder, but Cage kind of hurt himself in the process. Oh, with the leg drop. Again, hurting himself in the process. I don't know who just got the worst out of those moves right there, but he's removing the chair under from Kevin. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh. No. What? No. Don't do this. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. No. Don't do this. Don't. Oh my. Don't do this. Don't do it. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. All that weight. All that weight is now on Hudgens' arm. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Hudgens can't move. He cannot move. His arm is wedged in between the ladder and the chair. Right there. That's where it's probably hurting the most right now. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. Cage has no remorse for this man right now. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. This Cage could leave right now and leave as the hardcore champion, but obviously he does not want to do that right now. He's just lining it all up right back together. Wonder who's gonna land on that right there. Kick by Cage. Oh. 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 Oh my God. With the package power driver right on the chair and the ladder. Oh my God. Hudgens is down. He's down. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is brutal.
I would check on it.
Oh, Cage wants the doctor to check up on Hudgens. See if he's even able to continue.
Are you dead?
You want to win this match by
Which one?
doctors.
I don't even know. Oh, you can't put your hand, huh? Hey.
Oh, that's what he's doing. That's his plan. That's his plan right there. That. Oh my God.
I'm ready to go now.
Oh, don't do this.
Please don't.
Don't do this.
Don't. No.
Oh my God! With another stomp right onto Hudgens. He tried. Our doctor tried, but I think Dylan wanted to use that to his advantage. To realize what was wrong with Kevin. And I think that worked for him in the long run.
Hi, Kevin.
Oh! Oh my God. Oh. What? What is that? What is that? His hand. I don't... There's something in his hand. If that's part of the ladder, I don't know. Oh my God.
Hi, Kevin.
He can't even feel his hand right now. I don't know what... Oh. Oh my God. He went right into the pole. Oh. No. Dylan. Listen. He's going to use that wrist tape to his advantage. Oh no. He had a roll of it in his pocket. Oh. He had a roll of it in his pocket. He's wrapping Hudgens up. Oh my. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Are you? Oh, he's not even done. He's not even done. Oh, he ripped out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, He ripped out of it somehow. Now he. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, with the power bomb right on the ladder. Oh my god. Hudgens just. Oh, he's pushing me.
I see sparkly.
Oh my god, he ripped right out. Oh, Kevin. He ripped right out of that right there. Now he's trying to climb. He's trying. Oh my god. What's...
Hey, bud.
Oh, is it? Oh, one final. He's getting out. Cage reverses. Oh. Oh, what? He's trying to... Oh my god. Hudgens just got suplexed right onto that. Oh my god.